Now, people, I gotta make a quick warning before this episode of 10 O'Clock High, because you are about to see the use of an electric bass with an inventive use of open strings and octave jumping. And if you're not ready for that, please don't watch this video. Thank you. 10 O'Clock High! 10 O'Clock High. Hold the phone, people, because I picked this damn thing up and this just jumped out, and this might be pretty good. It's gonna sound a little bit like Stanley Clarke, but let's get this thing down. Okay, I'm gonna run through that again, but partially because I played it wrong. Let's do this. So you catching that turnaround at the end? That's really catchy. So I'm gonna cycle through it one more time and then we're out of this. Let's go. That's enough of a hook to make a song around, and I will. You guys catching on? This is the secret to writing songs. Record every idea the minute you get them. Thanks for watching. 10 O'Clock, huh?